Last year, me and the rest of the family discovered Aerosol spray sun protection cream, whatever you want to call it, and it was fantastic. I'd been looking for ages for something that you didn't have to flip a cap off, put it onto your hands, smear it over and get oily substance all over your hands. So basically what you do is you take the top off this, you spray it on, you rub it in, and it's non-greasy, so it's absolutely fantastic. Now, last year when we went away, the only one that we could find was this one. There's also a factor 50 that we use as well on the face, but this is the one that generally we use on the body, or used on the body. Now this works out at about £13.30 for two, and it's really good, don't get me wrong. However, what I did this year, because we're off on holidays again, I thought I'll just have a look around to see if I can get anything a bit cheaper. And I came up with this one. Now, so Garnier Ambre Solaire works fantastic. You'll see it being sprayed on in a minute. It absorbs and it's non-greasy. Altruist, which is basically manufactured by a company that don't put lots of money into advertising, etc. So don't need to make the additional profit to pay for all that lot. And it's just as good. Both of these are sun protection factor 30. Both of them have UVA protection as well, so UVA protection, and I think it's UVB, which is that one. Anyway, they're both the same. You can go to the website for Altruist and it'll tell you all about it, but now what I'll do, I'll show you actually in action. But before I show you in action, I should tell you how much this is. So I got two of these for £9.99, so just roughly £5 per bottle for 200ml, and this works out at about £6, about £6.30 or something like that, both off Amazon. But for something that's exactly the same, why pay £1 odd more? So first of all, we're going to use the Ambre Solaire Dry Mist sun protection factor 30, which is this one, and I'll take the lid off and spray it on. There you go. You see, easily rubbed in, and there's no greasy residue left on the hand. So now what we'll do, we'll use the Altruist on the other hand. So here's the Altruist, and 200ml again, 200ml. There we go. Slightly different texture to it, but all rubbed in. Jensen, do you want to tell us what it feels like?
I think the
Altruist
is better
because
it dries quicker on your arm,
feel that.
And it just feels better.
How does it feel on your hands, both of
them? This one feels stickier and this one's smoother. So
right, okay, so there you go. Basically for less it does just the same. Fantastic. Right, so there you have it. Both of them spray on just the same. My son's just rubbed them in, they're gone within seconds. I'd listen, whichever one you buy, I'd recommend these aerosol ones, because there's just no waste to them, and there's just none of that greasy feeling on your hands. So I'm going to get another two of these to take away. We'll finish using the ones that we've got of these, but this is the one that we're going to go with from now on.